Learn English easily.
The gift of friendship. In the heart of downtown, there was a cozy little cafe called Beans and Brews. It was a place where people from all walks of life came together to enjoy a cup of coffee and a moment of respite from the bustling city. Sarah, the owner of the cafe, had a keen eye for her regular customers. She knew their names, their favorite drinks, and even a bit about their lives. Among the regulars was a man named Daniel, a quiet and reserved artist who came in every morning to work on his sketches while sipping his black coffee. One cold winter morning, as Sarah was preparing the day's first batch of coffee, she noticed a new face among the crowd. It was a young woman named Lily, who had just moved to the city to start a new job. She looked a bit lost and overwhelmed. "Good morning. What can I get for you?" Sarah asked with a warm smile. Lily hesitated, scanning the menu. "I'll have a cappuccino, please." As Sarah prepared the drink, she struck up a conversation with Lily, learning about her recent move and her feelings of loneliness in the big city. Sarah's friendly behavior put Lily at ease, and soon the two were chatting like old friends. When Daniel walked in and took his usual seat by the window, Sarah introduced him to Lily. "Daniel, this is Lily. She just moved here and could use a friendly face." Daniel, though shy, nodded and offered a polite greeting. Lily smiled back, grateful for the introduction. Days turned into weeks, and Lily became a regular at Beans and Brews. She and Daniel often found themselves sitting together, sharing stories and laughs. Daniel showed Lily his sketches, and she admired his talent, encouraging him to pursue his dreams. One day, Sarah decided to host a small art exhibition at the cafe, featuring Daniel's work. She knew how much it would mean to him and how it could help him gain confidence in his art. She enlisted Lily's help to organize the event. On the night of the exhibition, the cafe was filled with people admiring Daniel's artwork. Daniel, initially nervous, was overwhelmed by the positive feedback. Lily stood by his side, proud of her friend's success. As the night went on, Daniel and Lily realized how much their friendship had grown. They had both come to the cafe seeking something, a place to belong, a sense of purpose, and had found it in each other. "Thank you for being there for me," Daniel said to Lily. "I don't think I could have done this without you." Lily smiled, her eyes filled with gratitude. "And thank you for being my friend. You've made this city feel like home." Sarah watched from behind the counter, her heart swelling with pride. She had always believed in the power of community and connection, and seeing Daniel and Lily's friendship blossom was a testament to that. From that day forward, Beans and Brews became more than just a cafe. It was a place where friendships were born, dreams were nurtured, and everyone felt like they belonged. And in the heart of it all were Sarah, Daniel, and Lily, a reminder that sometimes all it takes to change a life is a cup of coffee and a kind word.
A lesson in kindness. It was a crisp autumn morning in Toronto. and the city was alive with the hustle and bustle of daily life. Among the sea of people rushing to their destinations was an elderly man named Mr. Thompson. Every day, he took the same route to the local park where he loved to sit and read his morning newspaper. One morning, as Mr. Thompson made his way to the park, he noticed a young woman struggling with a flat tire on her bicycle. Emily is a university student running late for her morning class. Frustration and worry were evident on her face. Without a second thought, Mr. Thompson approached Emily. "Excuse me, miss, do you need some help?" he asked kindly. Emily looked up, relief washing over her. "Yes, please. I'm not sure how to fix it, and I'm already late for class." Mr. Thompson smiled warmly. "Don't worry. I used to be a mechanic. Let me take a look." With skilled hands, Mr. Thompson quickly fixed the flat tire. As he worked, he shared stories of his youth, making Emily laugh and easing her anxiety. Within minutes, the bicycle was ready to go. "Thank you so much," Emily said, her gratitude evident. "How can I ever repay you?" Mr. Thompson waved off her thanks. "Just promise to help someone in need when you have the chance. That's all I ask." Emily nodded, touched by his kindness. "I promise." As Mr. Thompson continued his walk to the park, he felt a warmth in his heart. He had always believed that small acts of kindness could make a big difference, and today was no exception. A few weeks later, Emily found herself in a similar situation, but this time she was the one offering help. She saw a young mother struggling with heavy grocery bags and immediately stepped in to assist. Remembering Mr. Thompson's words, she knew she was passing on the kindness she had received. Years went by, and Emily often thought about that autumn morning and the elderly man who had helped her. She made it a point to help others whenever she could, creating a ripple effect of kindness throughout her community. One day, while volunteering at a local shelter, Emily saw a familiar face. It was Mr. Thompson, now even older and still spreading his warmth and kindness. She approached him with a smile, and he recognized her instantly. "Emily, it's good to see you," Mr. Thompson said, his eyes twinkling. "Mr. Thompson, you won't believe how much your kindness that day changed my life," Emily replied. "I've tried to pay it forward every chance I get." Mr. Thompson smiled, his heart swelling with pride. "That's the best repayment I could ever ask for." In a world that often seemed rushed and indifferent, the simple act of kindness shared between an elderly man and a young woman had created a lasting impact. And so, the story of Mr. Thompson and Emily became a testament to the power of helping others, proving that even the smallest gestures can leave a profound mark on someone's life.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more.